Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel and today we are back again with a new video. So in this video, I will show you how can you easily see previously watched reels on Instagram. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, firstly open Instagram application on your device and go to the Reels section. Now, for an example, if you viewed these two reels but you did not like it or save it, so to view it, till the date Instagram has no feature. But when you click on the three lines at the top right corner from your profile, go to your activity and go to likes, then you will be able to see all the reels that you have watched and as well as liked. But if you did not like, you can also save the videos in your save category. To do so, again go to the reel section, click on the three dots and choose the option of save. You can also create a new collection. Click on add to collection. So for an example, I will save this video in funny category. So I will type the name of the collection funny and click on the save option at the top right corner. After that, once you go to the saved option, you will see that the category funny has been created. And that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.